You are welcome to motionDigit tutorials. Introducing a quick guide video for Adobe Creative Cloud. Today, I am gonna show you how to link Adobe After Effects to Adobe Premiere Pro CC. First open Adobe Premiere Pro. Then Ctrl-N on Windows or Command-N on Mac to create a new sequence. Then, choose your video resolution. I am gonna select a random setting for the purpose of this tutorial. Feel free to use your own setting. The destination is yours. I will just show you the way. Now, you can drag your footage or photo into the project manager or create a color mat. Select the page icon on the bottom here. Choose the color mat from the pop-up. Set your color and hit OK. Drag and drop the color mat into the timeline. Right-click on it and select Replace with After Effects Composition. Make sure you have Adobe After Effects installed on the same PC. This will automatically boot Adobe After Effects. This will take a while, depending on your computer processing power. After Effects will prompt you to save the project. Choose a name and file directory. Hit Save and create an After Effects composition using your footage from Adobe Premiere Pro. This is now linked to Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's add a text to see it update in Premiere Pro. Save changes in After Effects and this will update in Premiere Pro. Whatever change you make henceforth will appear in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is very handy when you want to use our free video intro template without rendering out of Adobe After Effects. That is it for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. It helps us do more. Leave a comment if you have any request or question.